Are you looking to boost your Instagram presence and grow real followers? In this video, I'll be showing you our top 5 strategies to skyrocket your Instagram followers. And trust me, you don't want to miss out on tip number 5 because it's a game changer. Let's dive right in and start with number 1, and that's improve your Instagram profile. First up, your Instagram profile is your brand's digital storefront. You have to make it count. This is where people get a snapshot of you and decide if they're going to follow you or not. To increase your chances of earning a follower, you have to make sure your bio is captivating. Use recognizable profile pictures, sprinkle in relevant hashtags, use emojis, and choose words that carefully describe your brand. And remember, a compelling bio could be the difference between scrolling past and a follow. And now for number 2, display Instagram feeds on your site. Our second hack is to harness the power of your website's traffic. You can do this by embedding your Instagram feed directly on your site, allowing you to convert site visitors into Instagram followers. With tools like the Smashballoon Instagram Feed Pro plugin, it's a breeze to integrate, and the results? Simply phenomenal. It's the best Instagram feed plugin to help you create, customize, and show engaging Instagram feeds on your site, even if you're not tech savvy. The plugin also gives you options to customize your feed to match your website's design, and even filter the exact content you want to showcase inside your feed. You can get started by visiting smashballoon.com. You can find a link for it in the description of this video. And number 3, take advantage of Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels are still one of the best ways to grow new followers. With 9 out of 10 Instagram users watching Reels daily, it's a goldmine for engagement. The more Reels you create, the more reach you get, earning you more Instagram followers. Craft short, captivating videos, reach a broader audience, and watch your follower count soar with Reels. You can check out our video on the top right corner of your screen to find out how you can get more views on your Instagram Reels. Number 4, curate your Instagram feed. When it comes to your feed, looks definitely matter on Instagram. Since there's so many people vying for the same attention on the platform, you need to stand out to get noticed. Use your content to show your unique style and theme for your feed to convince users to follow you. High quality content, a cohesive color palette, and a recognizable theme can really help you stand out from the crowd and earn you new followers. And lastly, number 5, run viral Instagram giveaways. You can host Instagram giveaways to skyrocket your followers. And as promised, here's a game changer. Run your Instagram giveaways on your website. Giveaways and contests can attract tons of traffic to your site as well as growing your Instagram followers. By using RafflePress, the best contest plugin for WordPress, you can create viral giveaways with ease. It comes with ready-made Instagram contest templates that automatically sets up your contest with powerful entry methods. This helps you grow your Instagram followers with just a few clicks, even if you're not a designer. Run giveaways with RafflePress to engage your audience, collaborate with influencers, and watch your follower count explode. So there you have it. Those are our top 5 strategies to grow your Instagram presence and get you real followers. Try these out and watch your Instagram community grow. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.